Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is another video explaining the one of the tabs in the task manager. So by going through all the videos, you'll be learning and a lot more about the task manager and its different tabs and sections and what they do. And it's a great little series that I think is useful for anybody that might eventually want to troubleshoot a little bit their computer. Today we're going to talk about the services tab in the task manager. So how do you get to the task manager? Once again, several ways. Bottom left corner, right click, task manager in the list. You can go into the desktop app and right click on the bottom taskbar and go into task manager. Swipe from right to left on your computer on the right side of the screen to get the travel bar if it's a touch screen, or go into the upper or lower corners with your mouse and get the travel bar. Click the search and start typing task, and it'll be task manager will show up. We're in the services tab. If you haven't seen the other videos, we've got one for processes, performance, app history, startup, views, users, details, and this is the last video talking about services. Services is a very useful tab when we have problems, because some of our problems are sometimes due to services that are not running. And the Windows computers are divided in different little services that each do a little task to keep everything running smoothly in your computer. And what might actually, that list already has running services and some that are just stopped, because some services are not needed unless you do a specific task. So by having the unneeded task being stopped takes less computer power. But sometimes a service that's running might stop or crash because of some problem. One of the very, very often problems I see with the services is, for example, the print spooler. I've seen a lot of computers where print spoolers just stop running for a reason, because it crashed because of a wrong driver, or because of drivers that are not meant or have bugs in them. So you might want to go to the print spooler and start it, because without a print spooler you just can't print. Another way I've seen services being turned off is with viruses. I've seen viruses actually deactivating some services to make sure that it's harder for you to actually fix your computer when it's infected. And so you might also have, I've seen problems with services with antivirus programs, where multiple services are needed together to run, and if one is missing, there's a problem. So just go there in the task manager to the services and basically look at the service that you need to have running. All you have to do, if it's stopped, you just right click and start it. If it's running, well, you can actually try to fix it by right clicking, and then you'll have a restart. And this is new in Windows 8, because in Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP, you could start a service and put a little, choose the option to actually start it from startup. But sometimes you really need it to actually restart the computer to have that service running correctly. Which is nice here is that they've added a restart to all the services that are running, which means that if the service one of the services gives you a problem, you can click restart. It's going to stop it and restart it new, and it might fix your problem without even having to restart the computer. So this is a nice little add-on for that. And if you're unfamiliar with some of the services, you can actually click the search online button, and it will actually bring you to the web to show you what that service is. So here you see my Internet Explorer started, and it talks about the service in question. So if I have a net logon problem, I can right click on it and go to search online, and it's going to show you net logon, what it is, and you'll have information on it. And I think if you want to learn how to use Windows and learn how to become more of a power user, that's interesting, because you can actually go into the services and right click on it, go to the web, read more about what it does, what it is, and I think that's a nice little add-on that will explain to you every little services in your Windows computer. Great way to learn. So this is the services tab in the task manager. And so if you ever need to go to one of the services to either stop it, run it, or restart it, that's where everything happens in Windows 8 for the services. If you enjoy these videos, click the subscribe button, and you'll be, of course, informed when new videos are online. If you have a new Windows 8 machine, it's a great channel to be, and you can subscribe to our channel. Maybe you have comments, questions, or maybe you have a request of some feature you'd like to have a video on. Let us know, and we'll of course gladly try to put a video online explaining for you. There's a good chance, if you want to learn something about Windows 8, a lot of people are asking the same questions. And don't worry, no dumb questions, never. You just don't know it, and that's it. Take a look at our other videos. If you have that brand new Windows 8 machine and you're a little lost, we have lots and lots of videos online, so it's a great place to learn how to use your computer. And so thanks for watching, and I hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.